Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today I will deliver a second lecture on status. So for class 11th students. So in the previous lecture I told you the definition of status and the representation of a status. And there are two representation of status. One is called the roster form, another one is called the set build form. And I told you that usually the status are denoted by capital English alphabets, and there are some English alphabets which are reserved for some special status. The one is called the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so. तो उनके लिए क्या है? The notation for that is n. तो n is a set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this denotes the set of natural numbers. And उसके बाद there is a set of whole numbers and that is denoted by W. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And उसके बाद Z denotes the set of integers. तो यहाँ से भी ये unlimited है, that is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And उसके बाद the set of rational numbers is denoted by Q. So it is equal to all x such that x is equal to p divided by q. और condition क्या होनी चाहिए? Q is not equal to 0 and p, q both belongs to z. ये दोनों z में होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. उसके बाद there is another one that is irrational numbers, that is denoted by q star. यूजुअली मैं ज़्यादातर इसी से डिनोट करता हूँ बिकॉज इट इज अपोजिट सेट ऑफ क्यू. और ये एस से भी हम डिनोट कर सकते हैं और टी से भी हम डिनोट करेंगे. ठीक है, इसके लिए कोई पर्टिकुलर नोटेशन नहीं है. अब जो है दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स एंड दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय आर, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. तो जो ये वर्टिकल लाइन है आर की, इसके साथ में एक और वर्टिकल लाइन डाल रहा हूँ. तो इट आगे जाके आपको रिलेशंस पढ़ना है, वो भी हम आर से डिनोट करते हैं. तो डिस्टिंग्विश दैट आर एंड द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स वी ड्रॉ अ वर्टिकल लाइन विथ द आर. ठीक है, तो दिस डिनोट्स द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. तो अब दिस इज द नेम starts, the name natural number starts with n, so this is denoted by n. And second one, the whole number starts with the letter W, so it is denoted by W. And this number starts and the integers starts with I, magar it is denoted by Z. Actually जो Z है ना, Z letter, it comes from the word Zahlan. Zahlan. Sorry. Zahlan. So it is a German word, so which means to count. So which means to count. The word, it is actually the name for integers in Germany. So the word, the letter Z comes from that word. ठीक है. उसके बाद Q. Q denotes the rational numbers. So why the name starts with R, but we denote it because the rational numbers are the quotients. Rational numbers are the quotients. And जब हम P को divide करेंगे Q से, we get a quotient. हमारे पास जो number आएगा ना, वो आएगा quotient. तो quotient, that is why it is denoted by Q. तो rational number इसलिए क्या इनका नाम rational number इसलिए दिया गया है because they are in the form of P by Q. Rational form, P by Q form में है. ठीक, उसके बाद Q star are those numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. वो आपने 10th में अच्छी तरह पढ़ा होगा. And the set of real numbers is the all rationals and irrational is called the set of real numbers. So these are the notations which are reserved for some special sets. So now today I will define the types of sets. Types of sets. The first type of sets. Types of sets. The first type, which is the most important type of sets, that is called empty set. Empty set or null set or void set. तो इसकी definition हमें बतानी है. तो a set is said to be empty or void or null set if it does not contain any element. अगर इसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होगा तो then this is called an empty set and it is usually denoted by, इसके लिए खास नोटेशन है because this is a special set, ठीक है. तो and it is denoted by the phi is a Greek letter or the empty curved braces. तो braces में कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. So this is a definition of a set which does not contain any element, to call an empty set. So example, चलो A से हम denote करेंगे such that this is x, इसमें वो objects है such that x belongs to n, and और दूसरी property क्या है, this is called and, ठीक है, which comes from the Boolean algebra, so which is the important branch of mathematics. तो this and और क्या condition होनी चाहिए, x is less than 5 but greater than 4, वो natural number जो 4 और 5 के दरमियान लाई करता हो, तो that does not exist any natural number which satisfies this condition, so this is an empty set. So this is the first example. Second example, B, to x such that x belongs to n, वो n में होना चाहिए, and दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, x square minus 2 is equal to 0. तो ये भी phi के बराबर है because the roots of this coordinate equation are irrational numbers plus minus under root 2 which does not belong to n, so this set is also an empty set. So there exist infinite number of examples of empty set, ठीक है. तो उसके बाद ये वो सेट है जिसमें कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है. अगर कोई सेट होगा जिसमें कम से कम एक एलिमेंट होगा, that set is called a non-empty set. उस सेट को हम कहेंगे non-empty set. तो यहाँ पे एक रिमार्क हम लिखेंगे, तो non-empty set, हम किसे कहेंगे, a set containing at least one element. कम से कम अगर किसी सेट में एक एलिमेंट होगा, a set containing at least one element is called non-empty set.